Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. First of all, I am welcoming you all to your new world of chemistry. Okay, so let me introduce myself. I am Anjali. I will be taking you chemistry in this year, and so up to your fifth standard, you are only familiar about one subject, that is science, right? So now you are going to study that three different branches: physics, chemistry, biology from this year. So what is chemistry means? What is chemistry? Chemistry is simple thing only. It is a simple subject. Okay, if you will study daily, it will be easy for you. Okay, daily read the textbook. That time it will become easy for you. Okay, and I will also help you to study in easy way. Okay, so I am not lagging our chapter. So let us start our new chapter. That is, what is chemistry about? What is chemistry about? So that means this chapter is just giving you an introduction about our subject, chemistry subject. Okay, what is this chemistry, what we will study in chemistry, that all things we will study here. Okay, so actually chemistry means it is the study of substances and their transformation. See, chemistry is the study of substances and their transformation. So about some substances we will study, and about their transformation we will study. So what do you mean by substances then? What is substance? Substance means anything around you. What all are seen around you, that is called substance. So the study of substances and their transformation is called chemistry. Chemistry is a science, that branch of science which is used for the study of substances and their transformation. So substance means, what is a substance? Substance means anything around us. What all things are seen around us, that is called substances, like air, water, pencil, book, chair or fan, whatever it is, the dress you wear, the food you eat, whatever it is, everything around you is called substances. And so substances we studied. Then what is the substance made up of? So the substances are made up of, for example, if you are taking if you are taking a woolen cloth, what is it made up of? It is made up of wool. If you are taking what your breakfast, okay, roti you are eating, so what is it made up of? It is made up of atta. So like that, some particular things it is made up of, right? So what is a substance made up of? What is a substance made up of? So substances, all substances are made up of small tiny particle called matter. Okay, or the substances are, what is the substances? Substances means anything. Okay, substances are made up of matter. So what is this matter then? Matter means anything. Smaller classes you have studied the definition for matter. Matter means anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. What is a matter? Matter means anything that takes up space and has mass is called matter. So anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay, so matter we have studied. So matter also we have studied. Then see some examples of some substances, some matter are given. Okay, all these substances, toys are there, one cup is there, one bottle is there. So like this things are, can is there. So many things are kept, right? So all these things are substances, and all these substances are made up of matter. All these substances are made up of matter. See, all these substances has mass and they will occupy a space, right? Take a pen. One pen you are taking, okay, that pen if you will keep on the table, okay, you are keeping that pen on the table, it will occupy a space on the table, right? That pen will occupy, it will take a space on the table. Same way that pen has a mass also. And if you are taking a book, if you are keeping it on the table, or if you are keeping it anywhere, it will occupy a space over there, right? Or if you are hanging a calendar, or if you are hanging a clock, that clock will occupy a space on the wall. Same way that clock will have a mass also, right? Or if you are standing on the floor, human body is also a matter, it is also a substance. So if a human being is standing on the floor, it is occupying, he or she is occupying a space on the ground, and he or she is having mass also. So anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay, then our eyes, water vapor. What all these things made up of? What is this made up of? All are made up of H2O. Smaller classes you have studied water means H2O. Studied, no? So what is this ice, water and water vapor all made up of? All are same only, water only, but there one is in solid form, another one is in liquid form, another one is in vapor form, right? So ice, water, water vapor, what all these are made up of? They all are made up of same substances only, same substance only, water only, H2O molecule only, same substance only they are made up of. Understand? Clear now? So one time I will read the full paragraph. Okay, this paragraph I will read you. Substances means everything around us: air, water, pen and pencil, toy, etc. All are made up of matter. So what is matter? Anything that takes up space and has mass is called matter. So why does air differ from water and a pen differ from pencil? Why air is different from matter? Air is also a matter or substance. Water is also a substance. Then why they are looking different? Because what are they made up of? Air is made up of small other particles. Water is made up of some other particles. So the substances present in it are different. That is why they are not looking same. If it is pen and pencil, why pen and pencil are not looking same? Because pen is made up of plastic, pencil is made up of wood. The substances that are using in it, that is different. That is why we are saying that they are of different type. Okay. Then the substances that air, water, pen, pencil are made up of different things. So they will differ. Okay. Then next, this also I told, air, ice, water and water vapor are same. Why? Because they are made up of same substances, H2O. H2O only. So they are made up of same substances. Okay. Then next we are going to study transformation. So we know that chemistry is a branch of science which is used for the study of substances and their transformation. So substances we have studied now, right? So now we are going to study transformations. What is this transformation? Okay. So what is this transformation? Transformation means changing from one form to another form. For example, milk changing to curd, that is a transformation. Ice changing to water, that is a transformation. Water changing to water vapor, that is a transformation. A seed sprout into a plant, that is a transformation. A plant is grown to a tree, that is a transformation. Okay. So transformation means changing from one form to another form, that is called transformation. Okay. And so you see, transformation means a simple way we will tell transformation means a change. Okay. Simple change is called a transformation. So according to the changes, there are changes of two types. Changes are classified into two types. One is physical change and changes are classified into two types, that is physical change and chemical change. What are the two types of changes? Physical change and chemical change. Okay. Then what is a physical change? Physical change means the substance will not change, only their state will change. For example, ice is changing to water, water is changing to water vapor. Again, if we will cool means, see how an ice will change to water. If we will melt the ice or if we will heat the ice will change to water. Then again I wanted to change it to ice. Is it possible? If I will keep that water in fridge, again it will change to ice only. So the substance is not changing, only their appearance is changing, right? One was hard substance, ice. Now it changed to liquid substance, only their appearance is changing. That is a physical change. The substance is not changing. H2O, water is not changing. Here its water's appearance is changing. Now one case water is in the ice form, another case water is in the liquid form. Water. So their appearance is changing, but the substance is not changing. That type of change is called physical change. Okay. So then what do you mean by chemical change then? For example, milk is changing to curd. Okay, milk changed to curd. Can you return that curd back to milk? It is not possible, right? We cannot return back that curd back to milk. That is not a irreversible change. We cannot return back to the first condition. So that means the full substance is changing there. The milk substance is completely changing and forming a new substance called curd. Another example, you are making tea. Milk you are taking, you are adding coffee powder or tea powder into it. Now that white color milk changed to brown color tea or coffee. So you cannot return back that brown color substance back to milk, right? So that is a chemical change. The full substance is changed there. Another example, if you are burning a sheet of paper, a paper you are burning, what will happen? The paper burned to ash powder. Okay, the paper burned to ash powder. That means first condition it was paper, now it is in the form of ash powder and carbon dioxide. Smoke will come outside, no? That is carbon dioxide gas. So we can say that type of, so the substance completely changed. The paper changed to ash and carbon dioxide gas. So one substance completely changed to different substances. That is called chemical changes. So you read this. But in a chemical change, the substance changes. Okay, in a chemical change, the substance is changing. What is a common example? A common example is burning. I told you, when burning a paper or burning a wood, the common example is burning. Burning is an example for chemical change. What happens when paper burns or wood burns? Paper and wood are made up of substance called cellulose. In your smaller classes, you have studied animal cell, plant cell and all. In that, all cell is made up of a cell wall of an organism is made up of cellulose. Okay, cellulose. And when we will burn the plant or the wood or paper or whatever it is, what will happen? The cellulose will also burn. The cellulose, when it will burn, cellulose is a substance. When it is burning, it will change to new substance, carbon dioxide and water. Understand chemical change. So don't want to by heart all the examples. I will give you notes in smaller sentence. That is enough. Okay. So enough for today. All of you read the textbook thoroughly. Only one page I have taught you today. So all of you read this textbook clearly, and next day we will start our remaining portion. Okay, so thank you all of you. Take care.